Dail Wood Technology channel, a place to explore advanced technologies, practical experiences for wood enthusiasts, and the tense and thrilling moments of witnessing dangerous wood-related accidents, but also full of excitement. First, let's you and I joyfully welcome the spectacular scenes of tree felling, where giant ancient trees fall in breathtaking moments, with the power of nature not only astonishing us, but also captivating us to the point where we cannot look away. The mighty tree trunks fall with resounding sounds, creating an overwhelming and majestic scene. The skillfulness makes every moment memorable. The Mack R600, a legend among heavy-duty trucks, stands out with its rugged design. The Mack R600 boasts an enormous load-carrying capacity and the ability to conquer rough terrains that few other vehicles can match. It is not merely a means of transportation, but also a symbol of durability and high performance, making logging tasks efficient and spectacular. Organizing competitions to determine the fastest and heaviest trucks is not uncommon. These competitions often attract the attention of vehicle and engineering enthusiasts. They not only help truck manufacturers establish their brands, but also create an exciting playground for fans who love speed and power. This is the new Holland M135 tractor, which carries exceptional power and impressive performance, making it one of the top choices for heavy agricultural work. It seems that everyone is testing its strength. The power shift function enables smooth gear shifting, allowing the vehicle to operate efficiently on various terrains. The modern hydraulic system with high pump flow allows the tractor to run equipment effectively. Additionally, the ability to lift up to 6,730 kilograms at the rear hitch affirms the strength and durability of the new Holland M135 in meeting the demands of modern agriculture. A wood-cutting competition involves contestants racing against each other to see who can cut wood the fastest. Wow! The giant blackwood trunk. Listen to its echo as it is being felled. The competition showcasing the power of the Morbark 40 to 36 drum microchipper is truly an event not to be missed, where everyone can witness the giant machine with a massive drill capable of crushing large logs as if slicing through butter. The roar of the engine echoes through the air, keeping the audience's eyes glued to this magnificent performance. The Morbark 40 to 36 demonstrates its superior capability in wood chipping, becoming a symbol of power and efficiency in the wood processing industry. Look, the scene of the powerful Tigercat 635D, with its sturdy rolling tracks, hauling long, heavy logs, gliding through a winter of pure white snow, leaves a strong impression on the thick, snowy ground. The Timberjack 140 is stuck in the mud, its wheels spinning, but unable to escape, nearly tipping over as it struggles with the challenging conditions of the wet terrain. Oh my God, I hope the operator will be unharmed. The PTH 1200 to 1000 M Pezzolato wood grinder is one of the most powerful and efficient machines in the wood processing industry. The machine is designed with a wide 1,000 to 100 millimeters feed opening and a sturdy steel feed conveyor, minimizing the presence of soil and bark in the output wood chips. Notably, the machine uses a closed drum with 5 cutting blades, known for its high durability and ability to reduce vibrations, noise, and fuel consumption. With these features, the PTH 1200 to 1000M not only delivers outstanding performance, but also ensures the highest quality of output with chips. The tree is fallen, and the man is carefully cutting its stump. He is dealing with the aftermath of a natural accident. But always remember the importance of using the correct techniques when working with trees, especially large ones that are at risk of falling. Wow, it's amazing to witness someone felling a giant tree. The Moorbark 40 to 36 drum microchipper is a powerful wood grinder, specifically designed for the biomass industry. With the ability to chip wood up to 24 inches in diameter, it can quickly process large branches and small limbs, producing uniform and high-quality wood chips. You know, when the Cat 800 to 875 horsepower engine is running, every piece of wood must be carefully kept from being invited into the machine. This is the Moorbark 1100. Another highlight of the Moorbark 1100 is its integrated control system mix, which allows for adjusting the feed rate based on different types of materials, thereby optimizing fuel consumption efficiency. The machine is also equipped with hydraulic augers that quickly remove product from under the grinding hammers, preventing clogs when dealing with large quantities of raw materials. The Moorbark 1100 tub grinder is not just a grinding machine. It is also a valuable ally in minimizing wood waste, contributing to environmental protection, and optimizing the wood processing process. When looking at a piece of wood, you can envision many exciting products it could become in your living space. With the talent of the craftsman, the log will gradually transform into unique furniture pieces, like an elegant dining table where family gathers for cozy meals, or a comfortable rocking chair for relaxation on leisurely afternoons. This skilled craftsman does not simply saw, carve, or polish. He also imbues each product with his emotions and dedication. He will show you every stage of the crafting process, from selecting the finest pieces of wood to applying intricate techniques that create flawless contours, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and durability for the final product. Let's wait to admire the final masterpiece that this skilled craftsman will deliver. support us by hitting the subscribe button. This will give us more motivation to create videos every day. Wow, what a beautiful wooden vase. This vase is not just a decorative item. It is a unique work of art that showcases the talent and creativity of the craftsman. Surely anyone who sees this wooden vase will be in awe, and it will become an interesting story you can share with friends and family about the journey of transforming a log into a stunning work of art.